The 5 most expensive cat breeds and their unique traits. Savannah cats are known for their striking leopard-like appearance and high energy levels. Persians are adored for their long, luxurious fur and sweet, gentle personalities. Bengal cats boast a stunning wild look, with unique spotted coats and playful natures. Sphynx cats are famous for their hairless bodies and affectionate, social behavior. Kalmani cats are rare, with striking blue or odd-colored eyes and a loving temperament. Join us for more fascinating insights on cat breeds.